Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bijay Thapa and this is a new tutorial series on web application with Oracle Apex. And in this tutorial series you will learn to create relational database with Oracle. You will also explore the user interface of Oracle database, and along with that you will learn to create beautiful and modern web user interface for web application, and you will also learn to create sequence and triggers to use on different situations like on auto increment, on creating validations, or you can also track user behavior and track it for security purposes. Along with that you will also learn to integrate charts, graphs and calendar in our web application. So if you are interested, then get ready and click on that subscribe button and let's start our tutorial.